guys, welcome back to bestsublimation.tv. I'm Alex. Today let's see how to use our new Crafts Express heat press machine. And before we start, please make sure you guys have watched the unboxing and the introduction video. I have put the link on the description box. And you guys will know everything basic about this machine after watching that video. And then please come back here to see how to use it. And if you guys have watched that video, let's just jump straight to the tutorial. First, let's see how to set the printing temperature, time, and the pressure. First, long press the power button to turn on the machine. And then press the power button again to start countdown. Now we can set vibration pressure. The machine is equipped with two motors, motor 1 and motor 2. Only one motor is working and the other is a spare motor. They both have the same 3 vibration frequencies. The first number indicates which motor is working, and the other number indicates the vibration frequencies. And this means the motor 1 is vibrating in the vibration frequency, and I need to press the power button again to save the pressure setting. Then I need to press the set button and press the plus and the minus buttons to adjust the temperature, and press the set button again to adjust the time, and last press the set button to save all the settings. Now let's print some items. First, let me show you how to print a linen drawstring bag. And here are all the things I need. Our Crafts Express heat press, the support mat, my image, and the thermal tape. And I need to set the parameters first. Now the machine is heating up, and please remember to put it on the tray holder, then do the settings. Don't put it on the table, otherwise it will burn the table when it's heating up. Next, put a piece of protective paper on the support mat. Then put the drawstring bag onto the paper. And then fix the image with the thermal tape. Then cover the paper and the bag with another piece of protective paper. Now the machine has reached to the set temperature. Put it on the drawstring bag and press the power button to start vibrating and count down. Next, let's see what else we can do. videos. If you like them, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And if you want to know more about this machine, please go to watch our unboxing and introduction video. The link is on the description box below. And if you have some questions about this machine, or if you want to make your orders, please send email to best@bestsub.net. I'm Alex. Hope to see you again in my next video.